This is called training, not abuse. I didn't force her to do it. She offered. Good girl.
Good girl. You good girl, Anika.
Oh, uh-oh.
Hindi mo masyadong madami.
No. Okay.
Big girl ka, Anika.
That's it. Good girl.
Ang dami niya nilagay na.